This was our first weekend on the boat and we found out what we didn't know.
I'm Christian. This is Jen, a Colombian and a Brit. We met traveling and we've always wanted to explore the world and experience new cultures. We've been living in Australia for the last 6 years and we love it. But after 6 years focusing on our careers, we're missing a bit of what brought us together, an adventure.
We moved the boat to Clareville, just around the corner from where we got here. This area is in the northern beaches of Sydney, next to the Ku-ring-gai National Park, and it's located around 36 km from the city. We spent our first night on the boat, which was quite relaxing. I loved the feeling of rocking. Our friends Megan and Ned, who helped us move the boat from the marina to Clareville, will be joining us later in the day. The first job we wanted to do was to measure the lettering on the bow of the name. We don't know what the name means, so we want to put the name that we want.
What are you doing, Jen?
I'm just measuring up the name because we want to change it. So we're just trying to figure out what size and what kind of font we want Phoenix to be in. We're going to get rid of the Jasamiva, or however you say it, and put on Phoenix.
Hey Bella,
Bella's just supervising.
what are you up to?
I think it's 8 centimetres. Do you think that we repaint the sky? We realised that the dinghy was taking in loads and loads of water, so we needed to deal with that pretty quickly. The boys set off to pick up some shopping for dinner. The boys are just back from, they went ashore and first of all we couldn't get the engine on the dinghy, and then we realised that we didn't have any oars for the dinghy, so then they had to take the board paddle and another little ship paddle and go ashore, and they managed to. They got to Coles and they got the only Uber in this area, it sounds like, and they've just got home.
Permission to get dinner and beers.
I'm surprised there's not more beers missing, to be honest.
Yeah, you're lucky.
How's that beer tasting?
So good. So deserved too. Well done. After our first day on the boat and the longest supermarket shop I've ever done in my life, we all got an early night and we all got ready for an early voyage the next day. We decided to go for our first sail, which was really exciting. There was a little bit of wind, but enough for us for our first sail. And we turned off the engine and then hoisted up the sails, which was really nice. We put up the main first, then the head sail, and then we got some speed.
Hoisting the sails for the first time.
And we were very happy that we managed to take her out with some friends, and it's just an amazing feeling. we managed to celebrate a bit before the rain set in.
Bella won't go to the toilet and it's raining and she hasn't been for like 14 hours and she's just refusing. Bella, go to the toilet.
Not always beautiful and sunny. I don't want to stop.
It's been raining, so we've just jumped out to start cleaning the boat a little bit. Make the most of the fresh water.
I'm in the panel. The good thing on a day like this, we get to fill up the water tank. I actually found a funnel that I put like inside the water compartment. It's at the front of the boat, and I've put a tea towel around it to keep it in place, but I don't know if it's going to stay there. Just give it a try, see how we go. She finally used the toilet today. That's her second time. I think she saw the treats and immediately just went down and did it.
Good girl.
All in all, that first weekend was a success. We learned that we need to fix the dinghy, that we can go out for a sail. Bella went to the toilet, and we know what to do when it rains.
To join us as we explore Australia and learn how to sail, hit the subscribe button and follow our journey.
Cancel. Cut. Voyage. 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 For the maiden voyage. Voyage. What?
Voyage.
Voyage. What am I saying?
Voyage.
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 Yeah.
Voyage. Okay. Voyage. Cut. For voyage. I can't look at the camera anymore more.